Hi and welcome back. Thought I'd do a really quick video on whether we have a Thanksgiving cactus or a Christmas cactus. So a couple of weeks ago I purchased this lovely lady right here, and during a video I was showing that she was in bud, and she's still in bud, but these buds have all dried, so I will be cleaning her up after the video. And I was thinking to myself, do I have a Christmas cactus or a Thanksgiving cactus? I think this one is a Thanksgiving cactus. I will show you why. Was again at Home Depot, and I saw this lovely lady right here. Look at her. Is she not just beautiful? Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is what I was looking for, and this is what I ended up purchasing because they didn't have any lovely ladies like this. So I got to comparing the leaves. I went online. I'll post a picture of what I found so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So according to what I read, the Thanksgiving cactus, let me move Beauty out of the way, we're going to really look at her in a minute, but the Thanksgiving cactus, if you look at the leaves, do you see how the leaf joints are really tight? You can't really separate where one leaf ends and the other one begins. See that right there? See how tight those leaves are? And these blooms look like they were going to be a lot smaller than what this Christmas cactus over here, and from the blooms that I saw online as well. And all of these have literally just dried out. Like none of them have even acted like they were going to develop at all. Okay, I'll finish cleaning her later. But as you can see, she also, like I said with the leaves, there's not a lot of leaves that are teardrop shaped because the Christmas cactus has more of a teardrop shape as well. Now they both have this separation on the sides, and that's why a lot of us get them confused. Whereas if we look at our beautiful Christmas cactus here, although the blooms, when they first start, let me take her out of the heavy pot and I'll use this nursery pot. And by the way, this was $15 at Home Depot if you want to go get one. My local Home Depot has a bunch of them, but I wanted the red. But if you can see, like, the blooms do start off small, like the other one. But if you look also at the leaves, you can tell where one leaf ends and this is a good one. One leaf ends and the next leaf begins, and it has kind of a teardrop shape to it. Not a perfect teardrop, but it's very similar. As well as I was comparing pictures of the blooms. This is going to open up soon, and I have a spent flower here, if I can find it, up right in front of me. But look at that. Is that not just beautiful? And also the inside, the pollen is supposed to be yellow. I can't remember if it's the Thanksgiving or if it's the cactus, Thanksgiving or the Christmas. I'll have to look that up in my notes again, and I'll put it on the screen as far as the color of the pollens. But I know this one's spent, but isn't that just gorgeous? And I also read that the Christmas cactus the flowers tend to droop, as opposed to our Thanksgiving cactus where the flowers are more upright. Of course, I will have to wait until this one blooms to really tell. But just from looking at the leaves, I believe that this one is the Thanksgiving cactus. And if I can hold them up together, so you can really see the difference in their leaves. Like the leaves on this one, the one I think is a Thanksgiving cactus, you can't see the separation from one leaf to the next, whereas with the Christmas cactus, you can differentiate each leaf where the growth ends and the next one begins. So, oh, this is a good example. Do you see how tight all this is? And then on this one here, which has the same, how tight these are. You can't tell one from the other, but these you can kind of see where one ends and the other one begins. Again, I bought this one, it was shortly after Thanksgiving, so I'm thinking that the store had Thanksgiving cactus still to sell, and I assume they were Christmas cactus, or like a lot of us, even the stores get them confused and sell Thanksgiving cactus for Christmas cactus. If you have these and you can tell me whether I'm correct in this is a Thanksgiving and this is a Christmas, let me know in the comments down below. This one here, I did end up potting her in a pot that was about 1 inch bigger than what she came in, just because that media was really hard and it needed to be loosened. So all I did is I just took her out of the pot, took a bamboo skewer, kind of loosened the dirt around the sides, as well as poked some holes up in the middle to help kind of encourage her to spread her roots a little bit more. And I believe she'll be okay in this pot for a few years. Just quick video on Christmas cactus and Thanksgiving cactus. And like I said, I feel like this one is a true Christmas cactus. And this one here is actually a Thanksgiving cactus. May have to wait till next year around Thanksgiving to see if this one blooms for me. And the Easter cactus, apparently, I did not even know there was an Easter cactus. I'd heard of Thanksgiving and Christmas cactus, but I did not know that there was a Easter cactus. So if I have a chance to get one of those, I will. So I'll have one of each. Again, I'm assuming this one is a Thanksgiving cactus just based off of the research I've done on the leaf growth of the Thanksgiving and the Christmas. Go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know if you think I have 2 Christmas or if I have 1 Thanksgiving, 1 Christmas cactus. Hope everyone is enjoying their day, and see you on the next one.